Hey, this is Wade with Speedhut. We're up here at Strawberry Reservoir. We're going to install some LYNX gauges from Speedhut on a 2007 Skidoo snowmobile. We're going to show you how easy it is to install these. We're going to do it right on the mountain. So we're going to put a GPS speedometer in the snowmobile. It comes with a speedometer in the display, but when you're out there just flying around, you have no idea what speed you're going. You're just trying to hang on. We're also going to put a coolant temp gauge in this sled. Again, these sleds, they have an idiot light that shows when it's hot, but you have no idea how warm your sled's actually getting. So this is a must. So we're just gonna go ahead. I've got Chuck Norris here with me. I found him off the side of the road. So we're gonna open up the side panels. And these sleds, they make some auxiliary gauges that you can put on these sleds. They're pretty expensive, but the dash panel here is made for these gauges. You can see that it's got some indents for some 2-inch gauges. We're gonna put the GPS speedometer on this side, and we're gonna put the coolant temp on that side. The LYNX gauges, they're designed to run off of the computer on the snowmobile. What we're going to do is we're going to plug right into this diagnostic port right here to run these 2 gauges. We've got a LYNX splitter we're going to install. It'll run 2 gauges. We're going to plug that right into that diagnostic plug. Gauges are pretty simple. Just a plug on the back, a spin ring, so we're going to put that down in the hole. We'll put this on and spin the gauge on so it's locked in place. Put that down in there.
That pigtail comes out of the gauge, so I want to put the spin ring on over that, and then you just kind of get your hand up in there and it screws right on, and then the pigtail and the cord we put in the diagnostic port, they'll just plug right in.
Okay, let's go ahead and put the GPS speedometer in. We're going to do the same thing that Lee just did, only on my side here. I'm going to attach the GPS antenna to the back of the gauge. It's just a threaded connection there. It's the antenna. Drop that down in the hole. I'll fish this spin ring on over everything. So this is the other end of that splitter that Lee plugged in. We're just going to do the same thing on this gauge. Snap that together. Get these wires out of the way. Then I'll take this GPS antenna and I'll shove it up out of the way. Okay. That's all there is to it. Now we'll fire it up, see if it works. Now we're going to go out and ride and see how fast we can get going.
So first, whoopsie man, I dropped the ring.
Apparently the spin ring fell down into the somewhere, so it might melt at some point. I don't know what the melting point of this is, but
hopefully higher than 220.
Yeah.
What if it went underneath? What if it right here?